Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change an alternator in a Toyota Highlander. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench. Next, gather all necessary tools, including a serpentine belt tool, various sockets, and a torque wrench. A well-lit and clear workspace is crucial for this task. Taking these initial steps will prepare you for a smooth and efficient replacement process, ensuring both your safety and the vehicle's integrity. With the battery safely disconnected, the next step is to remove the serpentine belt. Use a 19mm socket on a breaker bar to rotate the tensioner clockwise, then carefully slip the belt off the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main power wire, usually secured by a 10mm nut, and any other electrical connectors. Finally, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, typically 14mm and 12mm, to free the old alternator from its position. Now, carefully maneuver the new alternator into its mounting bracket. Insert the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, but do not fully tighten them yet. Leave them slightly loose to allow for adjustment. Reconnect the main power wire, ensuring the 10mm nut is snug, and reattach all other electrical connectors until they click firmly into place. This ensures proper electrical flow and prepares the unit for final securing. The final steps involve reinstalling the serpentine belt, ensuring it's correctly routed over all pulleys. Adjust the belt tension until it allows about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch of deflection. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your Highlander and check the charging voltage with a multimeter. It should read between 13.5 to 15 volts. Listen for any unusual noises, confirming a successful alternator replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.